वो तू रात में बाहर जाएगा? So here is the fascinating story of the word journey. Now, the word journey comes from let's just call it French for now. The French root journ, journ, which ultimately derives from the Latin root diurn, which means one day. Right? So, a journey, and the word dates back to 1200. So, yeah, well, would you call that the 13th century or the 12th century? You decide. So, dates back to a time when streetlights were not invented. All right. So a journey literally means the amount of distance or the amount of traveling activity that happened in one day. Did you know that? No, you did not. If you did, you're blessed. If you didn't, you have a lot of good news that there is a magical place called Logophilia that awaits your presence. And don't travel by night. Or maybe you can, because streetlights have now been invented.